A fresh political claim is sent shockwaves through Zimbabwe's power corridors after prominent lawyer and political analyst Brighton Mutebuka alleged that should Vice President Chiwenga's faction succeed in removing President Emmerson Mnangagwa from power, veteran politician Tendai Biti could be lined up to head the Ministry of Finance. Sanabda mashkobuda pangwa ine ma developments arikono kwa chenzi aiwa Mutebuka oti the current regime ngaitirwa pasi achiti aiwa President Emmerson Mnangagwa aiwa ngawati resigner, VP Constantino Chiwenga must take over, and Tendai Biti lead the Ministry of Finance. Maybe nyika yedu ingaresurrect and we subscribe or like on the bell icon. Both with Nomdanya Chiti Chiwenga came ICE BT for Finance. Insider claim rocks Zimbabwe politics. And in Rambira Chiti Mutebuka says he has been reliably informed that BT is viewed as a strong candidate because of the credibility he earned with international financial institutions during his tenure as finance minister in Zimbabwe's government of national unity. According to the claim, BT's outspoken opposition to Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3 through the Citizen for Democratic Foundation CDF, he has further strengthened his standing among those reportedly planning for a possible political transition. The claims remain unverified, and neither Chiwenga, BT, nor government has publicly commented on the alleged scenario. If true, however, the speculation is likely to intensify debate over Zimbabwe's increasingly fluid political landscape. Doma developments ari kuda panguva ino ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa ndo zvavapo izvi, vanhu vari kutoshuvira kuti dei generally vakwanisa kuteka over kuti pamwe zvinhu zvingaita zviri nani. Pana comment section medu zofundo aimba kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.